In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image size on Google Sites quickly and easily. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to enhance the performance of their Google Sites by reducing image sizes without losing quality. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, we're going to start by visiting a website called TinyPNG. TinyPNG is a fantastic online tool that helps compress image file sizes without sacrificing the quality of the images. This site supports various image formats including AVIF, WebP, PNG, and JPEG, which makes it very versatile for different needs. Once you're at TinyPNG's website, you'll see a big box on the home page. This is where you'll upload the image you want to compress. Simply click on this box and it'll prompt you to select an image from your device. Choose the image that you'd like to reduce in size. TinyPNG will automatically begin compressing the image for you, which usually takes just a few moments depending on the size of your file. After compression is complete, you'll see a download button pop up. Click on Download All Images to save the newly compressed version of your image to your device. This smaller image file will now be more suitable for web use, ensuring your Google Sites pages load faster and operate more efficiently. Next, open up Google Sites and navigate to the site where you want to use your newly compressed image. Once on your site, you'll need to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the Insert panel, which is typically found on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can add different elements to your site, including text boxes, dividers, and more importantly, images. In the Insert menu, find and click on Images. This will give you an option to either upload an image directly or select from previously uploaded images. Choose the Upload option, then select the compressed image file you just downloaded from TinyPNG. This step will add your image to the page in its optimized form, ensuring better performance. Lastly, once you are satisfied with how the image fits into your site, the final step is to click on Publish. This will push the changes live to your website, making sure that all the improvements you've made are visible to your audience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully reduced an image size on Google Sites using TinyPNG. This process not only helps your site run smoother, but also enhances the user experience by providing faster loading times. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your online